Here's how to install our OCAM Side Steps for the SsangYong Musso. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. There are 4 brackets for each side of the vehicle. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket to remove the cover plate on the front of the side steps. Slide in 2 extra bolts into the channels, then reinstall the cover. Repeat for the other side step. The first front bracket will utilize these 2 mounting holes here. Use a trim tool to remove the rubber plug, then slide in the stick bolts and use the plastic retainer clips to hold them in place. Loosely attach the front bracket using the supplied washers, spring washers and nuts. The second front bracket will mount to these holes here. Repeat the same process like the first bracket. For the top bolt, use the included spacer. The third bracket will mount to these holes here. Make sure to use the larger brass coloured stick bolt in the larger hole. The last rear bracket will mount to this grommet hole and the body mount bolt. Loosely attach the side step to the brackets, then tighten up the body brackets first, then the side steps. And there you have it, your OCAM side steps are installed.